Chicane line of floorboards and footrests wouldn't be complete without a passenger insert. So this replaces your passenger insert that's kind of plain looking on your bike. You know what it looks like. So very easy to install. It's going to add some comfort. It's going to add some style to your bike. So let me show you quickly just how fast this goes on. Okay, this actually just pops right out. You're reaching back and just pull out the rubber there, and then there's two little nubbins on the bottom here that you need to pull out. You'll just pull right through, just like that. So here you're going to have your pieces here, these little pull darts. I use a little window cleaner. You can use a little car wax. I recommend not petroleum products because that can eat into the rubber, so oil and things like that I probably wouldn't use. But you just put these through the holes here. You snap the back in place first. Make sure that's in there. And then you can go through, and there's a little pull dart, so you can grab onto those. I like to use a needle nose, just so you can grab them because they're wet. There we go. Once you feel it pop through, you got that one. I'm going to go on the other side here, pull this one through. There we go. Now what you want to do is just trim these two pieces off with a knife or a pair of scissors, and that's good to go. And now you've got a stylish, comfortable, durable, replaceable even, passenger floorboard insert. So for all the fitment information and everything you need to know, go to Ciro3D.com or visit your local dealer and ask for the Chicane line of foot pegs, foot rests, and passenger inserts. I'm Ken with Ciro. Thanks for watching.